Brilliant.
Brilliant.
The brilliant pianist has made a name for herself as one of the best modern performers.
According to research, brilliant colors can help raise people's spirits and give them an appetite.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Detective.
Detective.
No matter how hard the detectives tried to make her talk, the murderer simply remained silent. Detect.
Detect. I could detect a note of criticism when Paul talked about Sarah's performance at work.
Keen.
Keen.
The magazine editor has a keen eye for fashion. It's not surprising that almost every piece of clothing in that magazine sells so well. Detail.
Detail.
We will discuss the business plans in detail at tomorrow's annual meeting.
In order to understand how the fire broke out, the firefighters examined every inch of the scene of the fire, right down to the smallest detail.
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 The teacher gave each group a sheet detailing the steps in the process, so the students could do the experiment safely. Remarkable.
Remarkable.
It is remarkable that the athlete won 3 Olympic gold medals at such a young age. Remark.
Remark. The expert made a remark about the city's air pollution, hoping to increase the public's environmental awareness.
Remark.
Remark.
The critic remarked that the new science fiction was quite exciting, and he thought it was worth reading. Wonder.
Wonder.
The teacher wondered where Samantha was because she had skipped class again.
The audience wondered at the magician's tricks, especially when he made a card disappear right in front of their eyes.
Wonder.
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 The mountain climbers looked at the beautiful sky in wonder when they saw the sunrise. Publish.
Publish.
As soon as my favorite writer's new book is published, I am going to buy a copy of it.
Mr. Baker's story will be published in tomorrow's newspaper. Soon, everyone will know how he runs a successful business.
Publish.
Publish.
Publisher.
Publisher.
Betty was quite confident about her writing talent, so she sent her work to several well-known publishers. Eventually.
Eventually.
After a long search, the rescue team eventually found the lost climber in a cave. Eventual.
Eventual. The eventual aim of our company is to become the industry leader in Asia.
Exist.
Exist.
Jane hasn't slept well for weeks. If her sleep problems still exist, she should go to a doctor. Existence.
Existence. Some people doubt the existence of life on other planets, while others strongly believe in it.
Personality.
Personality.
Everyone loves Evelyn because of her pleasant personality. Personal.
Personal. Visitors are welcome to use the lockers to store their personal belongings.
Analyze.
Analyze.
After the researcher analyzed the data on the new drug, she found that the drug might have harmful side effects. Analysis.
Analysis.
To make sure that the medicine was effective, the expert carried out a chemical analysis of some blood samples.
Significant.
Significant.
Over the last 10 years, there have been significant changes to the country's educational policies, such as the college application process. Significance.
Significance. The decrease in the number of flu patients is of great significance. It means that the spread of the flu is now under control.
Lecture.
Lecture.
After the professor's lecture on English poetry, I had a better understanding of the poem. Musician.
Musician.
After signing with the record label, the talented young musician started to record his first album. Deny.
Deny.
The inventor denied copying the idea from another person. He insisted that his invention was based on his own original idea. Accent.
Accent.
Chloe speaks English with such a strong French accent that it is sometimes hard to understand what she says. Flee.
Flee.
When the people in the town felt the earthquake, many of them immediately fled to the open fields nearby. Clever.
Clever.
How clever you are to think of such a useful solution to our problems. Clever.
Clever. This is a clever idea. I believe it will help us complete the project 1 week in advance.
Mystery.
Mystery.
It was a complete mystery to the control tower staff that the airplane suddenly disappeared without a trace.
Mysterious.
Mysterious.
The scientists have been investigating the mysterious deaths of a herd of deer. They all continuously lost weight before they died.
Emotion.
Emotion.
Don't make any important decision when you are overcome with emotion. It's likely that you will regret it later. Emotional.
Emotional.
Emotional problems such as anxiety and depression can have a negative effect on your health.
Attractive.
Attractive.
The job offer was too attractive to refuse. The hours were short and the pay was good. Admire.
Admire.
I admire Millicent's determination to realize her dream, even though her parents don't support her. Admiration.
Admiration. Everyone in the sales department truly has great admiration for the manager's ability to handle every crisis.